Is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. And here is obviously a trade I just took, and I backed out of it a little too early. I took a little partial on this dip of Kroger, and I got out when it started getting back close to the 8 EMA. Now, it's probably a stupid move because this is a nice little decline here following the 8 EMA down, but you can see it might be breaking back up through. So I might have gotten out at a good time because it didn't hit my target. My target was, I got in at, I think, a short at 30.93, and I wanted to take it down to about 30.65, that area. But I got a little nervous, took some out at 30.77 for a 16-cent gain on just like a third of my shares. And I took everything out back at about break even, just around 30.90, so about 3 cents below my break even. So I made a tiny bit of profit on it, but I did that because of the two trades I took earlier. I just wanted to get back to positive, and I was a little nervous this was going to be another losing trade. But I managed my other two trades well. So the other trade that I took was where was it? PCG. And you could see that PCG was moving up today, and I saw this big bottoming tail. Actually, I was looking at it really on the 1 minute. You could see it was moving up. Not a great. This is more like institutional buying and selling right here. Probably should have known better, but I got in here at around 8.86, and got some out at 8.93 because I got a little nervous, and then it kind of came back, and eventually I got stopped out with the remaining shares for a little bit of a loss, but nothing huge. And it was moving with the SPY. I thought maybe it had a chance to break out because it had gapped down. If you look at you see it did gap down today, so I thought maybe it had a run to get back up, but that was just wishful thinking. I shouldn't have traded that. So that was a loss, small loss though, because I was able to get a few of the shares out above my entry. And so the other trade I took, which was I got out flat, basically, it was the same kind of deal. MU, and I'll look at this on the 1 minute too. MU was also gapping down. You can see that on this daily chart. So it gapped down today, and I thought I had a chance to run back up, and it did not do that. At least not right away. In fact, it's dying. Yeah. So I got in at. I wanted to get in above a whole number, so I got in at 41.05, and it did jump up all the way to 41.23, but then it came back down hard, and I got out right at my entry, basically flat, which is good because then it continued down all the way to VWAP and bounced off that for a little bit, and then eventually it did move its way back up. It kind of made a little flag pattern here, and then boom, went up. But I was not able to take advantage of that. It was just the market was kind of a little too whippy today. So yeah, those were the three trades I had. They would basically I'm in the black, but not by much, and none of these trades were anything fantastic. But at least with Kroger, it looks like I might have made the right move here. I got out or above or below where I entered, and hopefully it'll. Well, actually, I don't care what it does at this point, but I'm out of it. We'll see what happens later in the afternoon. It's almost 1 o'clock, and I'm hopefully. If I find something, I will, but I might just take it easy the rest of the day just because first day of the new quarter, probably a lot of things going on. I'm just happy I'm not in the red right now. So that was it for me.